Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Should you get a French bulldog? Considering the cons associated with owning a French bulldog and its vulnerability to several health conditions, it may seem like owning a Frenchie isn't worth it. However, with proper care and some prevention measures, the pros of owning such an adoring breed outweigh the cons.
Take our lead.
They especially have trouble breathing. You need to protect them from heat stroke, and if your summers get hot, your home needs to be air-conditioned. Along with respiratory disorders, Frenchies also suffer from spinal disorders, eye diseases, heart disease, and joint diseases. Read more about French bulldog health.
Let's help you make your mark.
The French bulldog is high maintenance in many regards, but at least they don't require much brushing. This breed has a medium fine coat that sheds an average amount compared with other dog breeds. French bulldogs are very sensitive, and they don't do well in any extreme temperatures.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.